Hello, I'm English optician in Seoul, Korea. Our shop is located in Gwanak-gu. If you use subway, then subway number 2 line, Nakseongdae Station, gate number 1, and if you turn right part, then second floor, you can miss it. We have very precise test machine. For example, eye focus in checking, and myopia, and astigmatism, and farsightedness vision, and like this way. If you're tired with the vision in near and far, then we have a variety checking standard. So in daytime, checking result, and nighttime, we can compare your right your left vision. Like this way, we can show you the test result. This day, all of our customers want protect the harmful rays. For example, brightest seeing light, or the mobile blue light cut-off function. This day, many customers use cell phone and iPad and TV or monitor on their desk a very long time. So they ask me, how can they solve the tired of their vision? So we can solve it. Because I said we have variety of experienced optician in here, and we have variety precision machine to vision test. After the eye test and power measurement, we have a variety tool for fit your face fitting. Some customer says adjusting, because if their choice frame or sunglasses, then we must checking their eye focus on glasses and ears height or their length and nose pad or width or its height. They want a very long time wear it, but it need necessary compare their frame and sunglasses. Our glasses shop business time usually Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Sunday we are working 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. But if you visit here, then except Sunday, please. Before your coming, please reservation with a calendar on Google. There are parking spaces right front of our building, and do you have a vision problem or brightness or problem with dry eyes or brightness? Then we have a variety frame and solution way. If you have a problem with your vision or uncomfortable with your vision, then call me or reservation me. Then don't worry about it, because we can solve it. Thank you.